Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you Lipomax Advanced Weight Loss Slender Capsules. So, you might be wondering what is Lipomax here? Well, Lipomax here is a dietary supplement built around a proprietary blend of plant-based ingredients, commonly listed across its various sites as including green tea extract, apple cider vinegar, berberine, HCI, cinnamon bark, Korean ginseng, banaba leaf, resveratrol, spirulina, and bioperine, which is black pepper extract for absorption. Now, exact ingredients lists vary somewhat by which official site you actually visit here or you reference. It's marketed around boosting metabolism, curbing cravings, and supporting fat burning and energy without added stimulants. Now, it's described as non-GMO, gluten-free, and manufactured in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified U.S. facility, according to them. Now, in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly use this. Now, according to the website, it's actually designed to be taken either sublingually, so under the tongue, or mixed with water once daily. Now, for optimal absorption here, some listings frame it as capsule rather than drops, which in this case, the standard direction is 1 to 2 capsules daily with water, but each bottle is around 30-day supply, and the maker's general guidance here is consistent daily use alongside balanced diet and regular activity to gauge fuller results over time. Now, as with any supplements here, checking with a doctor first is worth doing, particularly for anyone managing an existing health condition or taking medication. Now, on the pricing side here, now the official site lists a 60-day money back guarantee with returns accepted even on open or empty bottles. Now, in this case, for the pricing itself, currently you can only buy bundles of this specific product. So they have the basic, the most popular, and the best value options. Now, basic here, you get 2 bottles for a 60-day supply, with each bottle costing around $79 per bottle. Now, this is a per bottle pricing. So if you're getting 2, you need to multiply the value or the whole value for 2, so around 158. Now, you also have the most popular here, which is $79 per bottle, and the best value one is going to be around $49 per bottle. But then again, you need to multiply this on how much bottle you're getting. So 6 times 49 is the total amount that you need to pay for this specific package. But yeah, so currently that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.